Hi, I'm Tyler.
Hi, I'm Ben.
And Chloe is not here because she's allergic to our faces.
Well, I mean, that's what happens when I like to brush my skin everywhere. You just get allergic to it.
Alright, today we are going to be watching... I don't know what it is. This
Oh, we're
Ace
doing...
Ventura.
Oh, another...
The Monopoly guy.
I remember this scene.
Excuse me. That's quite a wrap you're wearing. Perhaps I could get you some fluffy new slippers made from the heads of innocent and defenseless baby seals.
Who is this ghastly man?
Peter must
Ace
love this
Ventura,
movie.
pet detective. And you must be the Monopoly guy. Hey. Thanks for the free parking.
Another activist, McGuire.
Activist.
Okay,
Yes.
I just love, like, the stereotypical, like, rich white person laugh.
Mr. Ventura, there's nothing wrong with enjoying the fruits of nature. You should try it sometime.
Alrighty then.
I just love how he just sucker punches him.
You know something? You're right.
Do not pass go. Do not collect $200.
It's lovely, but I fancy myself in autumn.
I just love how she's actually able to carry him. Like, he's...
Yeah, I noticed. I was like, he must be a light dude.
Oh, yeah. No, I mean, he does look tiny compared to her, but...
That's
still.
funny. Gosh, I forgot about that scene. That was a funny scene.
No, I... Like, when punches are done especially well with funny sound effects, it's... Gets me laughing every time. But... No, I mean, I think as I said in our previous video, like, Ace Ventura is probably like one of the first Jim Carrey, like, I don't know whether it's one of the first films I've seen, but it's like definitely one of the first Jim Carrey films I've seen, and and ever since then I just sort of fell in love with Jim Carrey. But
I think mine was... I think mine was The Grinch, because I hadn't seen that one yet. I just didn't know about that movie.
yeah, no, I actually saw that in theaters with my dad.
The Grinch?
Yeah.
It's a good movie.
Oh yeah, no, it's definitely one we should react to. But no, though, I mean, I'm kind of curious, like, if that happened with real life, like, I wonder, really, like, if like they would sue him, take him to court, or how would they deal with them?
What?
Well, no, like I'm just kind of curious because, like, they're in Africa, aren't they? Yeah, no, because like they're like in an African country, and
Yeah, looking for that bat of Zimbabwe or whatever.
yeah.
Chicago.
Yeah, Chicago.
I think that's all we got.
All right.
Cool.
See you later.
Chicago.